Hi everyone! If you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy Ripple on the Coinbase app, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Ripple on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar and type Ripple and search for it. Now here is the thing. If the cryptocurrency is not available on the Coinbase app, then you will see something like this on your home screen. And if it is available, you can simply buy it. Unfortunately, some of the cryptocurrencies are not available on the Coinbase app that you can directly buy it. And if it is available, you can simply tap onto the buy button and add the payment method. And that's it. This is how you can buy Ripple on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.